welcome to our channel Marketing Masters. Today we're going to learn a lot of things about Community Manager. Come and follow me, and all of my partners will teach you something.
Hi, my name is Mariana Morales, and today I'm going to talk about the digital presence. The digital presence is the existence in digital media through the different online search systems. It is a medium in which we know that the different users are active on the internet. These are important in business and companies, since the digital presence is their presentations into the world of the internet. It is a way in which they show what they can offer and why they are the good option or the greatest option for the customers they are showing to. In a better way to explain this, the digital presence refers to how your business appears online, like your website and social media profiles, but also content that you don't control, such as online reviews and etc.
Hello, my name is Mateo and I'm going to explain content marketing. Content marketing is a part of inbound marketing, and it's the art of understanding exactly what users need to know in order to deliver it in a relevant and compelling way, and attract the attention of the well-defined target audience, with the aim of driving them to be future customers. Why do you content marketing? Because the content marketing helps a lot with your brand image. And if you give your user useful and personalized content, you will provide your reputation and visibility. It allows to generate direct and close relationships with your users in a natural and open way. It's a cheaper and more profitable improve your search engine rankings. It inevitably makes you think about your users, with the myriad of advantages that it entails.
Hello, my name is Anna, and today I'll be talking about landing pages and So first of all, a landing page is a marketing tool and also an internet tool. It's a page where you can go and check information about any topic of your interest. It can be mostly used for companies when they put information about them, and it's very easy to access a landing page. The only thing you have to do is click a call to action button, and it's very useful because it gives information to the clients in a very accessible and easy way, and also quicker way. And it has a lot of advantages as well. As I said before, it can be very attractive to other clients or to other people. It makes it more easy to reach to other people around the world, around where they need to go. And also it helps a lot to explain what they do and what they are their objectives, so they don't have to see in person. They can just go to the page and that's it.
Hello, my name is Alfredo Ferrer Rios, and I'm going to explain and be talking about what is web marketing. So, what is exactly web marketing? Well, marketing is the process of using the internet to market your business. It includes the use of social media, searching engines, blogging, and videos, emails, etc. Promoting your business takes effort. There are a variety of ways to do it. Additionally, advertising by newspapers, on the radio and television, direct mail, and billboards has been around for decades, since we know. Web marketing takes your message to the big web. You know, all these internet issues and all these web possibilities, we take it right there. With tons of people using the internet every day, there are a huge opportunities to get your product or service promoted in front of people who need it or maybe should have it. Drilling down into it, web marketing takes many efforts: banner, ads, email, promotions, and social media posting. It takes a lot of time and effort to do it. Posting are three of the ones you have probably heard about. They and more live under the web marketing umbrella.
Good morning, my name is Alec Hernández Roldan and I'm going to talk about creation and content curation. Digital content is the main key to captivate audience, to captivate them, to attract people, users. There are many types of content. They can be an infographic, video, giveaway, anything. What is the main key to grow up in the social media? And the curation of content is important because it's the recopilation of other content, but contextualized to the identity of the brand. Because the first step is to listen to the audience. The audience has to order anything and demand it. So you recopilate content from any source and adapt them to the brand and start publishing content basing on the post on the requirements of the social media. So by that process you can get many likes, a lot of them.
Hi, my name is Tania and I'm going to talk of content value. Content value is a very important thing in every brand of product. Content value is a thing that makes different your brand of product from the others. It's very important for every brand to have content value in social media because that things make the users want to buy your product and feel more attracted of what you're selling. You can have content value in every social media, like in Facebook, in Twitter, or in Instagram. You can have any type of content value, like for example, infographics, giveaways, a lot of things that makes your brand different to the others. Content value is very important for every brand product because that makes the clients feel more happy with your product.
Hi, I'm Esteban and today I'm going to talk about e-commerce. So e-commerce, also known as internet commerce or electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services using the internet. You can also include the transfer of money and the transfer of data. We have also 4 important types of e-commerce. The first one is business to consumer, business to business. The third one, consumer to business, and consumer to consumer. Okay, also the e-commerce has different types of benefits. For example, you can buy faster than buying in the physical store. The cost also has a reduction. The store and the product list, you have a bigger list of products. You have also flexibility to the customers. The people that sell the products have more flexibility to their customers. Also, you can check the list of the product and check the product that you're possibly buying before, a lot of time before you actually buy it, and this time allows you to search in another store and see what fits the best to you.
So now that you already know all you need to know about digital presence and content marketing, we have a very special activity for you. Now you have to go to Canva and create anything you want, an infographic, an Instagram post, an Instagram story, or everything you want to upload to Instagram. Because if you go to Instagram and upload anything in your stories or a publication of how do you feel about the science fair and what you learn about community manager, you could be the winner of the contest that we are organizing for you. If you win the contest, you will have a very special surprise prize at the end of the day. So good luck, and we want to see your Instagram post and story.
Thank you all for your attention. Leave a like if you like the video and see our other videos that are down in the description. Goodbye and thank you for your attention.